Hi friends, in this video, we will learn about some of the methods which can be used to remove items from a list. There are three methods which can be used to remove items from a list: clear, remove, and pop. Let us go through each of these methods in detail. The clear method removes all items from a list. For example, let us assign a list containing items string A, float 1.0 and int 2 to a variable L. Now execute L.clear. Let us check the value of L. An empty list is returned as all items have been cleared from the list. Moving on to the next method, the remove method removes the first occurrence of the item passed as an argument from a list. For example, let us assign a list containing items int 1, string b, int 2 and string b to a variable L. Now, to remove the first occurrence of string b from the list, we will execute L.remove string b. Let us check the value of L. The first occurrence of string b is at index equal to 1. It is removed from the list and we are left with the items 1, 2 and string b. Moving on to the last method. The pop method removes and returns the last item from a list. Let us take an example. Assign a list containing items string A, float 1.0 and int 2 to a variable L. Now, let us remove the last item from the list L and assign it to P by executing P equal to L.pop. Let us check out the value of P. As expected, it is 2. Now, let us check the value of list L. List L now contains only items string A and float 1.0 as the last item int 2 has been removed from the list. The pop method also accepts an optional argument index, which, when provided, removes and returns the item at that index of a list. For example, let us assign a list containing items string A, int 10 and float 2.0 to a variable L. Now, let us remove the item at index 1 from the list L and assign it to P by executing P equal to L.pop 1. Let us check out the value of P. It is 10. Now, let us check the value of list L. It now contains only items string A and float 2.0 as int 10, the item at index 1, has been removed from the list.